How to enable disappearing messages on Signal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Signal app and then go to any chat where you want to send the disappearing messages. So open it up and then just tap the contact's name at the top, and now you can see disappearing messages. Tap on it and then you can set it to 30 seconds, 5 minutes, 1 hour or more, or you can even custom time. You can even set it to just few seconds, like 5 seconds, and hit set in the top right. And then once you have set it, there you go. It's as simple as that. Now if you send the message, the person will only be able to see it for 5 seconds, and the message will auto delete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.